probably was dry. But yeah, I'm headed to the store, and I think I was kind of irritated because I hate waking up out my sleep, especially when I was sleeping really good, like dreams in the daytime type stuff. But yeah, it's just me showing y'all I'm driving up the street instead of y'all just constantly looking at me drive. Ooh, I look like I was going over to the other lane. But yeah, turn the camera back around. Yeah. I'm kind of tired of talking now, but yeah, I think I'm gonna make it to the store. As you can see, Ace Beauty and Wigs. Yeah, y'all see all the pretty ladies on the building. It's me inside the store, trying to hurry up and get my hair that I need. Sorry about the jiggling with the camera. I wasn't sure if this beauty supply store allowed people to record, so I just did what I could. That's me pointing at the hair that I need. The lady came over to assist me. Thank you so much. You was a big help, even though she was kind of being smart, telling me that what I could have did to get the hair down. But yeah, she still got it down for me. And yeah, that's me preparing to get ready to walk out the store, and me happy that I have my hair so I can go get my hair done. That's just me showing, you know, the area that I'm in at that moment. And yeah, back in the car, getting ready to go back to his house to wash my hair. I think I'm gonna get irritated because the car was moving so freaking slow, and I hate when people drive slow when it's unnecessary. I'm not saying go 90 miles per hour, but they was really moving slow at this moment, and I was just like, yeah, come on. But yeah, I'm really kind of enjoying doing these voiceovers. I'm really just trying to help warm myself up into, you know, doing videos. And this was kind of a last minute vlog that I wanted to do, quick vlog that I wanted to do. I don't think I'm gonna use my voiceover the whole time. I might just insert a little word clips. But yeah, that's me listening to music in my head. There wasn't no music playing at all, girl. So what are you dancing to? Yeah, just me showing y'all I'm driving back to his house. Outside looks so good, like for real. Me showing y'all the bag of hair. And crazy thing about it, I didn't even use the hair. I had a whole bundle at home that I used for my head. My head like a little seed. So yeah, I didn't even. I woke up, jumped out my sleep to go get this hair, and didn't even use it. But it's okay. I always look like I'm in two lines, but I don't be. But anyways, it's me trying to adjust the camera. I done made it to the house to watch this little bush. Lord have mercy. Hopefully this video go a little faster. I might trim it to make it go faster because I don't really want y'all to see me washing my hair that long. But yeah, this is just the raw, authentic me, myself, being who I am. Y'all see the little tattoo. Rest in peace to my grandma. I really want to add a little bit more, maybe some color. But y'all, I think I got that because I was just so hurt at the fact that my great grandma passed away. But yeah, me washing my hair again for the second time in a row. Again, I was acting like I really was enjoying washing my hair, knowing I do not like washing my hair. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah. I really don't know what to say at this point besides I'm just scrubbing up, dubbing my hair, and it feels so good. And yeah. This me showing my little hair before I really like combed it out or whatnot. But I look kind of crazy, but it is what it is. I know how to, you know, get myself together when I want to. But yeah, I'm not really gonna show too much of this process. She just was parting my hair. Shout out to Queen Leo Nails. She's right now out of commission due to, you know, you see the